everyone, Ryan from Ryan G's BBQ and stuff. Today I'm going to be making some pork ribs under the collaboration hashtag how I built my UDS. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to take you for a walk around my drum. It's a bit old and looking a bit tired, but she cooks well. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Big Blue BBQ for inviting me along on this collaboration. Give a shout out to Stephen Powell, my buddy from over there in Texas with his Ugly Drum Smoker Texas Facebook page and everything else he does on YouTube with his wonderful builds. Chef Johnny, pleasure to be on the same collaboration as you, sir. Dutch, Daddy Dutch, many a time spent in a chat. Great to be able to link up a video as well. Also John from 1984 BBQ, thank you for your support. You're always sort of there liking my videos and stuff like that in groups, so it's really good to be working with you as well. So I'm going to get to cooking these pork ribs. I'm going to be rubbing them down with some Meat Church Holy Gospel, and I'm going to glaze them off with some Sweet Baby Ray, maybe break it down with a little bit of cider vinegar or something just to thin it out and make it easier to brush on. So let's get to cooking. Okay, so I've got these ribs all set out. I've trimmed them up. You don't really want to see me trim ribs up. I'm sure you've seen people do it a million times before. So here we go. Just going to put some of this Meat Church Holy Gospel rub on. It's really nice. So I'm just going to give it a run over the top. Got a really good flavour to this rub. I like this a lot. Bit of pat down. Flip her over, do the back side. Don't have to go so heavy on this side, it's just the bone. You see I've taken the membrane off. Get all the little bits of meat. There we go. Move this guy forward. Push onto the back. Just like that. Throw a light on the top for this, on the back side for this one. Good pat down. Make sure all of that rubs in there. Nice bit of meat there, so I can have a bit more. Now flip these over. It's going to go in a bit heavier on this side. And that's going to give us a really good colour when we're cooking. It's gone quite heavy there. But do you know what? This stuff's so nice, I don't care. I might go back and give this side another go. Just because I can. And they can just sit there for about half an hour and we'll get the drum ready. So there's my basket. I've put some cherry wood on there. Now I'm just going to put my heat deflector on, which is an old pizza pan. It does the trick. That works really well. I'm just going to use one grate for these ribs. Put that on. put my first slab of ribs on. Here. You can go down there. I'll set the slab on. Sit like that. That's good. Put a little heat probe on so I know what's going on. He can sit down there, I think. That's going to let me know what's going on, and I'll see him in a few hours. Okay, so the UGS is running at about 250. Got lovely thin blue smoke coming out the top. There's my lava lock temperature probe I got. I had that sent over from the USA, from New York. And then there's another one down there just from eBay. Coincidentally, all the exhaust, all 8 of them, I just got from the plumbing depot, local to me in the UK. As we go down the drum, you can see my 2 up pipes. They're just standard plumbing things. Let's put some stickers on from work. It says do not pull handle, because I work for a military supplier to do with fighter jets. And then you can see my inlet pipes at the bottom. They're all 3/4. Everything on this drum is 3/4, just to make it simple, and it's easier to control the temperature. You just put one on or take one off, and it's a very, very stable drum. Every time I add or subtract a cap, it's roughly 20 degrees, so it gives me a fair bit of control to the cook and how I want it to go. So it's perfect. It's a really nice little drum. It's worked impeccably over the years, and it's a shining example to self-build. Very proud of it. Made a few videos. So yeah, UDS is rock, man. Ribs have been running about 275 for about 2.5 hours. We're going to have a quick look and see if I'm going to wrap them. So let's take a look. Yeah, they look quite good. Not bad at all. I'll just plonk the lid on so we don't get a spike. And then wrap them up, I think. Right, so first thing I'm going to do is just put down a little bit of brown sugar. One is going to hold down everything, hopefully. And 2, it's going to give us a little bit of sweetness. And put down a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's. Everybody loves that. Oh, here it comes. Look, no wind and then water, bang. So that's going to give us a nice base of flavour. And a tiny little bit of cider. This is warm cider, by the way. Just for a little bit of steam. Grab a rack of ribs. You've got a pretty good feel about them already. And we repeat the process again. too much. Still a bit of sugar. Then we're going to put a little bit of butter on this one. Oh, I'm so glad that happened. That's my spoon. Just give it a couple of dollops of butter on the top. Now if we go for the wrap. Get down all nice and tight. That's it. They can go back on the pit now. So I thought I'd put a bit of butter on these corn on the cob and chuck them on the UDS. It's a nice side, so they might as well cook along while the ribs soften up, or cook down, should I say. Just a bit of butter on one side. Wrap them up good and tight. Give them a twist. And that's it. It's like Christmas. Right, just going to give these a quick probe. Yeah, perfect. Can't really ask better than that. No resistance whatsoever. Just give them a thought, yeah. Look how flexible they are. Oh, and juicy. Put off my corn on the cob. Okay, so these ribs have had a bit of a rest. I'm just going to unwrap this one. See what's going on with it. Nice and bendy. That's a good sign. Oh, it smells good. Oh, right. Get this foil out of the way and put it on the chopping board. Right, so I'll give these a quick cut up. Oh, they're soft. Show the camera, see if we can see what's going on. Fall off the bone. Just how I like them. Top. Look at that. Perfect for me. The ribs look amazing, don't they? Look at that colour on them. Nice and shiny, sticky. It's fall apart. I'm really happy with these. Looking forward to eating them. Hi, thanks for watching my video. For the hashtag how I built my UDS. I hope you enjoyed the tour around my UDS smoker that I built myself. And I can guarantee you the ribs are amazing. You check these out. Look at that bad boy. The only thing I've got to do is have a bit of a munch, and I'll see you again soon. Hit the subscribe button. Check out these videos below. Ryan from Ryan G's Barbecue and stuff. See you again soon.